Do you not fancy going out with a jock?
No. Oh, God. I would have to be.
I can't believe you're putting all this on film. That's going to LA Strikers.
Oh, yeah. I'm not going to say anything more.
Too late, mate.
I think we kicked off the second half late, so I'm not too sure. I just did a little bit of filming now, a little bit at the end.
It's going to be a close one, isn't it?
Bets on Durham, though.
Yeah, bets on Durham. My cheeks are really wobbly because I called. Oh God, Rich has got. I thought he had a gilet on, but he hasn't.
My hands are so cold.
Away!
I'm English, I'm used to it.
What?
Cold weather.
My knees go really blue and like.
Well, yeah, we haven't been playing long. Girls, we've got to win that ball.
Good ball, Marisha, good fight! Good turn, Ellen! That keeper's just big. Go win that! Good, man. That all? Well done, Em. Well done. There's nothing more frustrating than when you're at full stretch for a ball and it trickles past the end of your toe and you just can't get it.
Go on, Law.
Done, Law. Keep working hard, girls!
Dude, 93, the one that they played.
Oh.
Come on, girls!
Who was that?
You know the game that they played? Oh, shit. The guy bleeds.
Should be alright.
It's all that stood on its own.
Look
over! Look over!
Nice one! Get there.
Chinese, oh shit.
No, this is for LA Strikers. It's like to film Ellen. The LA Strikers don't do anything. I've got to mute it because honestly, there's some of the shit I've been talking on and filming. I'm going to have to mute it. This is a professional document. No. I think it's just to show Ellen. Yeah, she is. No, it's Laura Stockdale's sisters. So definitely don't do anything stupid.
What's your score prediction?
Right, before the game it was 3-2, now it's 2-0. Oh, shit. Gemma can't score. I think it's one of them days for Gemma, you know, it's one of them days.
Pressure, Gem!
Hands are so cold.
The Americans are going wild today. I'm having a bit of splash now. Make this count, Durham!
Ellen's head, watch this goal.
Well done, Joe! Get back in early! Well done!
Come on, Dom.
Done, Anna, well watched. Second ball! Well done!
No, the other way. That's a good
Jam! No! Poor off ref, it's 50-50! No, no, that did not just happen.
None of them laughed, so I think it was a serious comment.
I don't know when Americans are being serious or not.
No, I don't.
Well done, Anna! I do love Americans though. Yeah, love you guys. Everything's just so exciting. So, I mean, like, if I was having a conversation with you, you never talk about something like it's Monday.
It's like, oh my god, like I totally went to the shop today.
Yeah, everything is really exciting. And it's just, but everything's fun. Life is fun.
Oh, corner ball every time. Give it, well done. Me? Oh, Becca Darwin. She works for like, you know, Team Durham have a like performance analysis department. She works for them as part of her. Like she's on a placement year, so she does that while she's studying here, I think. Get a better view. It's quite a crisp.
Yeah, it's even crisper than
Real life.
It's crisper than my eyesight. Let's go, Durham!
Chat ladies.
One timer. Let's go. On the danger.
Shoot law. Not like that though.
Get back early then! Turn and face! Oh, my hip is cracking something absolutely rotten today. Well, watch Maeve! Great work, Maeve. Queen of the centre back header, Maeve Clark. Yeah!
Charlene, that's a great goal! Hey! That's a great challenge!
That's really good.
That's the best challenge I've seen all game.
I think it's rules. If you're going for the ball, that's allowed.
Jem, do you want anything stretching out? You look like you were struggling.
Like, what?